Chapter on Al-Jihad, holy fighting in Allah's cause, is a part of faith. Narrated Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Allah the Mighty and Sublime assigns for a person who participates in holy battles in Allah's cause, and nothing causes him to do so except belief in Allah and in His messengers, that he will be recompensed by Allah either with a reward or booty if he survives, or he will be admitted to paradise if he is killed in the battle as a martyr. The Prophet, peace be upon him, added, had I not found it difficult for my followers, then I would not remain behind any sariya, an army unit, going for jihad, and I would have loved to be martyred in Allah's cause, and then made alive, and then martyred, and then made alive, and then again martyred in His cause. Footnote: Al-Jihad, holy fighting in Allah's cause with full force of numbers and weaponry, is given the utmost importance in Islam and is one of its pillars on which it stands. By jihad, Islam is established. Allah's word is made superior. His word, La ilaha illallah, none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and His religion, Islam, is propagated. By abandoning jihad, may Allah protect us from that, Islam is destroyed and the Muslims fall into an inferior position. Their honor is lost, their lands are stolen, and their rule and authority vanishes. Jihad is an obligatory duty in Islam on every Muslim, and he who tries to escape from this duty or does not in his innermost heart wish to fulfill this duty dies with one of the qualities of a hypocrite.